Good morning, children. This is M. Shant Sureka, lecturer in English, Chambers Junior College, English Medium. Children, today we are going to learn about the language of advertisements. The topic name is the language of advertisements. It is given as 8th Roman in public examinations. And this Roman is very easy to understand and to write questions and score your marks also, children. So in page number in your textbook, it starts from page number 208 to 227. Total 25 advertisements are there in your textbook. If you practice more and more times, you will get full marks. And totally you will get 5 marks for this topic. And next, children, the language of advertisements. Language means what we are talking to express our feelings. The language is helpful for us, children. And the language has a powerful influence over the people and their behavior. So in the same way, to communicate with each other, the language is helpful. And the advertisement means generally we have seen advertisements in newspapers, magazines, television, internet, etc. And you will get some information through that advertisement. So in the same way, the advertisements are divided into 2 parts. First one is commercial. And the second one is social. Commercial means it belongs to some business organizations. When they are launching any new product into the market, so they are giving some information about that new product. So why? Because to attract the people, to draw the attention of the people, so they are using these commercial advertisements. The commercial advertisement should be very eye-catching, and they have some captions and they have some attractive words like that, slogans and everything we have seen in the commercial advertisements. And the second one is social advertisements. Social advertisements generally it belongs to government or government organizations, and government is giving some useful informations to the people, some useful plans like that. So, and social messages are given by the government. And the second one, the advertisements are oral or written. Oral means it will be announced. Sometimes some advertisements they are announcing. Generally, we will see when the election time, so many people are announcing their party, various abouts and something, what their plans and everything they are announcing. So that is oral announcement, that is oral advertisement. So in the same way, written means it is printed. It is printed in newspapers, magazines like that. So this is the difference between oral and written. In the same way, classified and non-classified. That means, children, did you see any time Hinadu classifieds? In a Sunday paper, you will get some information about what is that. In classifieds, you will get some job vacancies to let and something about education. Like that, you will see in the classified notification. That means classifieds. That means advertisements. And next, non-classified means it should be some eye-catching. That means it has to draw some attention of the reader, of a customer. So why? Because if you are seeing, and generally in festival times we will see some shops they are giving some offers, the 50% offer like that. They printed one pamphlet and they will spread the pamphlets to everybody. So when you see that picture, or when you see that message, you will get some impression and you will get some attention towards the shop or towards the product. In the same way, here also classified means the given information in newspapers that should be about education or to let out job vacancies like that. So in the same way, here the advertisements and about the advertisements are given in our textbook. See children, if you want to read the advertisement, or first you have to observe. Let's check this advertisement. Here one advertisement is given. First what you have to do children, you have to read head to heel, that means top to bottom. Top to bottom, because you will get here relevant information will be provided in this advertisement. You have to read whatever the information here given, you have to read from top to bottom. Then you will get some information through this advertisement. Then down they will give some 5 questions. They will give 5 questions. Then you have to write the answer by seeing this advertisement. By seeing this advertisement, you have to write these answers. So first, whatever the information, the government organization or any business company, if it is providing message, you will get all the information in this advertisement only. You have to read very carefully each and every sentence. You should not skip the sentences. You have to read very carefully and you have to understand them. And then you will be able to write all the answers correctly. Okay, na children? Next, here the first question. Here first we will read this matter. We cover India the best. More than 30 crore policy holders nationwide. Policy for all ages. Promise delivered. Claim settlement 99.6%. LIC wishes every Indian a happy Independence Day. Here LIC emblem and here LIC like that is provided in your advertisement. Now let's take a glance at the questions. First one, we cover India the best. Who is we in the above caption? See children, when you are reading the advertisement, so first you have to put a question. What is that? This advertisement is given by whom? For what purpose they are giving this advertisement? First you have to know that answers. Then it will be easy for you to write all the answers. Here we cover India the best. Who is we in the above caption? Here who is giving this advertisement? LIC. So what is the answer will be LIC. In the same way, who has issued this advertisement? Who has issued this advertisement? LIC is issued this advertisement. Here also for the second one also LIC. Here also answer LIC and the second one also LIC. And the third question, write antonyms of the following words. See children, what I said before, you will get all the answers in this information only I said. But here the third question is write antonyms of the following words. That means you have the knowledge about antonyms and synonyms like that. Some grammar part also you have some knowledge about these grammar topics. Here write antonyms of the following words. Claim independence. 2 words are given here. Antonym means opposite words. Opposite, what is the opposite word of claim? Disclaim. What is that? Disclaim. And independence, what is the opposite word of independence? Dependence. What is that? Dependence. Okay, coming to the fourth question. On which occasion has the organization issued this advertisement. So when you are reading this advertisement, did you get any occasion, children? Yes, we get. What is that? Independence Day. Is that? Okay. So here, what is the occasion? Independence Day. Here you have to write Independence Day. And next, now what is the fifth question? How many policy holders does this organization have nationwide? Here more than 30 crores. Already here answer is given. Policy holders, how many? More than 30 crores. Here you have to write like this. And remember one thing, you should not copy this advertisement in your public examination paper. You need not write this, you need not draw this advertisement in your public examination paper. Only you have to write all these 5 answers. All these 5 answers in your public examination, and easily you can get 5 marks out of these 5 questions. Okay, now children? Let's see another example. It is a social message given by Government of India. See here children, here this is the Act of Rural Employment Guarantee. Because most of the villages are based on agriculture in India, children. So they don't have some work because they have some seasonal work. So that's why government is provided one act, that means 100 days of work they are providing for the rural people, that means village people, poor people. So here this advertisement is a social message given by Government of India. At the same time, this is the scheme for village people. Children, here Mahatma Gandhi Rashtriya Gramin Guarantee Adhiniyam. Guarantee means so every time 100%. Next, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. Next, here some pictures are given, and down also Mahatma Gandhi Narega and Mahatma Gandhi NREGA and Gramina Vikas Mantralaya Bharat Sarkar, that means Ministry of Rural Development, Government of India. Why? Because village people, they have some seasonal works, children. So they don't have all the time work because they based on the agriculture. So in the same way, to develop the villages, the government is providing this type of act. Next, they have to develop the villages. So you will get all this information. So while you are writing the advertisement, first you have to read carefully top to bottom. That means you have to scan each and every sentence. You have some keen observation on the given part. Okay, children, then only you will write the answers correctly. And when you are writing the answers, you have to read the questions once or twice. Then only you will write the answers. So here, who is the national leader that can be seen in the advertisement? See, here already I have drawn some picture. I am not a good artist, children, but I tried my best. Okay, now, so this is Mahatma Gandhi's picture. So he is a national leader. That means he is our father of nation. Okay, na children. So here, who is the national leader that can be seen in the advertisement? Mahatma Gandhi. So here you have to write the answers. Next, second question, who has issued the advertisement? So issued, this is very, very important, children. When you are reading an advertisement, you have to know first who has issued this advertisement. What is the purpose of this advertisement? You have to learn it first. Then actually who has issued this advertisement, you will get the answer lower part of the advertisement generally. Okay, here Ministry of Rural Development, Government of India. Who has issued this government? Ministry of Rural Development, Government of India. And coming to the third question, write the antonym word of rural. Rural means, I already said, village. That means what is the opposite word of rural? Urban. Urban means a city, developed places, developed cities, towns like that. That is called urban. And fourth question, write the verb form of development. See here children, verb form. They are asked verb form. But here you will not get any answer from this information. Generally, you will find all the answers, like 1 to 3 answers you will get from this information. But 2 or 3 questions, they are based on grammar point. So you have the knowledge about that grammar. But they are very simple. You should not worry about that grammar part and everything. They are very simple to learn. Here, write the verb form of development. Already here, development. Development means develop. This is one word. This is verb. Already ment, this suffix is added to this verb. Then it will become a noun. When we add this suffix ment to this develop, and it will become noun form. Then you have to change this development into verb form. Then when you remove this ment, when you remove this suffix, then it will become develop. So it will become verb form. Like this you have to do in the examination. And fifth question, what is being guaranteed in the advertisement? What is being guaranteed? Employment guarantee. That means 100 days of work they are providing here through this act. So that's why employment guarantee. Employment guarantee means they are not having only, they are based on agriculture, only some season, in some days they will get some work children, and sometimes they do not have the work. So in those days also they are doing any job like that, some planting trees or something, making roads and everything, some small works, and they are providing 100 days of work to the village people. So that's why what is the guarantee here? Employment is guarantee. Employment means job guarantee. Employment guarantee. Employment guarantee is like this. You have to write the all 5 questions answers in your examination paper. So already I said advertisements are very easy topic, and you should not worry about this. So first you have to read it carefully once or twice, and all the information is, all relevant information is provided in this advertisement, and you have to read it carefully to scan what is the information, who has issued. Like that some questions you have to ask and you have to learn, and then you will write the answers like this children. So I already said commercial advertisements. Before LIC we learnt about LIC, that is commercial advertisement, and this is a social advertisement given by government. By what is this? This is the useful message to the people. And LIC means that is business. Business means they are benefits, they are seeing benefits in that. So that is commercial, because they are launching any new product in the market, they are telling some important features like that. So that is commercial, and here this is a social message. And to promote business activities also they are giving commercial advertisements. And for social messages, it is giving some information, something new issues like that, something awareness to the people. So they are giving informations like this in social messages. So in our textbooks, we are having these type of social messages in our textbook. In 1 to 25, you will get some Aadhaar card, like that RTI, ragging, some types of advertisements you have in your textbook. Then if you practice well, you will practice more and more times, easily you can get 5 out of 5 children. So, thank you.